Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Victor, and I'm going to be your anchor for this session. So on the channel, we're going to be having quite a lot of series this period. I'm going to be having a series on cybersecurity. We're going to have a series on cloud computing. We're going to have one in data analytics. We're going to have in software development, DevOps. We're going to have in branding, digital marketing. We're going to have in make money online series. We're also going to be having some PC hack. So we're going to be having 7 series. And let me just give you some heads up. So in the make money online series, it's going to be roughly around a 15 to 20 series session where I'm going to be exposing and telling you, okay, if you need digital skills, you want to make money online, how do you transform your career, or how do you put the current skills you have now, how do you push them online, digitize your business, or set up your career in such a way, or set up your CV in such a way that you have skills that you can actually push, you can actually market, and you can make sales for, you can have cash value for. So I'm going to be looking at the Make Money series in the order of the series, and it's going to be roughly 15 to 20 minutes short series that each of the series you can piggyback on it and start taking action. Now on the channel, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Victor Chidi. I have quite a lot of series on tech and business skills. So we have trainings on cybersecurity, you have on digital forensics, you have on project management, you have on ethical hacking, you have on the Cisco Cyber Operations Associate, you have the Cisco IT, you have trainings on HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, web hosting, Bootstrap. You have training on routing, switching, wireless essentials. You have a full training system or set on CCNA1, that is Cisco Certified Network Associate. You also have some training labs on Cisco Cyber Ops. You have an entire series on data analytics. You have one also in Power BI. This weekend, I'm going to also be starting a series for some students that are in our premium class on Power BI. You also have a complete series in data science, where you learn machine learning, where you learn artificial intelligence, you learn to use SPSS, you learn to use Google Forms to do analytics and all of that. You also have a playlist that describes all of our training series. You also have one on IoT, a series I started some time ago. You also have a very comprehensive Computer A+ series. You have one on product design. You have roughly around 30 series. So I'm going to be adding more to the series, and I'm going to start 7 more series. So the very first series I'm going to be starting is the Make Money Online series. So let me know what you want to learn. You can drop it in the comment section, and we're going to start the series ASAP. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video to as many that want to get online, that want to digitize their skills and start making sales, making cash online. Thank you very much, and see you in series 1.